In this video, I'm going to make the Thai iconic fast food, Pad Kra Pao or Thai stir-fry basils. You can use any protein of meat, but today I'm going to use minced pork, Pad Kra Pao หมูสับ It's easy and incredible dish. Let's go to the kitchen. Traditionally, in Thailand, we use the holy basils in this dish because the holy basil, its character is quite a strong aromas and the taste is peppery. And that's because living in Melbourne, it's hard to find the holy basils. So I substitute to use the sweet basils, which is used mostly in the Italian cuisine or the Western cuisines, but I think sometimes it's acceptable. If you ask me what difference between holy basils and Thai basils, as my knowledge, the holy basils in Thailand we use in the stir fry, and the Thai basils mostly we add into the curry. First of all, I'm going to pesto, garlic, and chilies. I have 2 cloves of garlic and fresh chilies. The chili that depends how hot you prefer, but today this is my kra pao. I like to make kra pao the medium heat. I going to add 3 chilies. You pesto the garlic and chili until you get like a rough paste. You don't need to pesto until the garlic and the chili just very fine. We just need some chunks of the chili skin. In a wok or the pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. And I'm going to stir the garlic and chili first. And when you stir until you get the smells of garlic, and then add the minced pork into the wok. Use spoon to break minced pork to be crumbled and consistently stir until pork mince cooked. When your minced pork cooked, I'm going to add the sugar, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and half tablespoons of light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And lastly, basils. When you sprinkle the basil into the wok, turn the heat off and a couple stir, and then that's it. Your stir fry or Pad Kra Pao ready. กะเพราหมูสับ good to serve with rice and fried eggs. This dish is a Thai iconic fast food, easy, quick and enjoyable. Hope you enjoy my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel Coffee Cozy Kitchen with Jai. And if you would like to see the full recipes, you can visit my website coffeecozykitchen.com. Below this is my video. And see you next time, guys. Bye.